Hey, welcome back to SkyTech. Today, this is a full class, so grab a notebook, because by the end of the next 10 minutes, you are going to know how to build a real working app with no coding, just by describing what you want. Let's get into it. First, the mindset, because this is the part that changes everything. For decades, building an app meant learning to code. Years of practice, weird symbols, hours of frustration. That wall is gone. Today, you don't write the code. You describe the result, and the AI writes the code for you. Your job changes from programmer to director. You're the one with the vision. The AI is the one that types. So what do you actually need? Just one thing, an AI app builder. These are tools where you type what you want in plain English, and they build it live. New ones come out all the time, so I'm not going to marry you to one specific tool. The method is what matters, and the method works on all of them. Now, before we build, you might be wondering what you can actually make with this. And the honest answer is almost anything. A habit tracker, a booking site for your business, a budgeting tool, a little game, a portfolio, a dashboard for your team. If you can describe it, you can probably build it. Start to see the world as a place full of little apps waiting to exist. Okay, step 1. Start with a clear description. This is the most important skill in the whole process. So listen up. The AI is only as good as what you tell it. If you say, build me an app, you'll get garbage because you were vague. Instead, be specific. Tell it 3 things: what the app is, what the user can do, and what it should look like. For example, instead of make a to-do app, you say, build a clean, modern to-do app where I can add tasks, check them off when they're done, and delete them. Use a calm color scheme with rounded buttons. See the difference? You gave it the what, the actions, and the look. Hit enter and watch it build the whole thing in front of you. The clearer your words, the better the result. Step 2, the iterate loop. This is the secret that separates people who succeed from people who give up. You almost never get it perfect on the first try, and that is totally fine, because now you just talk to it. You look at what it built and you give it one change at a time. Make the buttons bigger. Add a date to each task. Change the background to a soft blue. Each time it updates instantly, one change at a time. That's the rule. Don't pile 10 requests into one message, or it gets confused, just like a person would. Small steps. Build, look, adjust, repeat. This loop is the entire game. Step 3, add real features and data. Now your app looks good, but let's make it actually useful. You want your tasks to still be there when you close the app and come back, right? So you tell the AI, save my tasks so they're still here when I reload the page. Just like that, it adds the database. You didn't learn what a database is. You didn't set one up. You just asked. And you can add way more than data. Logins, so each person gets their own private account. Sharing, with a button that creates a link to send to friends. Even payments, if you want to charge for what you made. Features that used to take a developer weeks, now take a single sentence. This is the part that genuinely feels like magic. But let's be real, at some point, it breaks. A button won't respond. The data won't save. Something turns red. This is the exact moment 90% of beginners quit. Do not quit. Here is the method. When something breaks, you do 3 things. 1. Don't panic. Breaking is normal, even for professionals. 2. Describe exactly what's wrong, in plain words. When I click the check button, the task doesn't get crossed off. 3. Let the AI find and fix it. It reads its own code, spots the bug, and repairs it. If the first fix doesn't work, you tell it that too. That didn't work, the task still isn't crossing off. It tries again. You are having a conversation with a tireless engineer who never gets frustrated. Stick with it, and you will get through every single bug. Now, before you ship anything, take 2 minutes to test it. Click every button, add something, delete it, reload the page. Try to break it on purpose, like a real user would. If something feels off, you already know what to do. Describe it and let the AI fix it. Testing is the difference between an app that looks done and an app that actually is done. Step 5, make it look professional. The difference between an app that looks homemade and one that looks like a real company made it is mostly polish. And you can ask for polish. Make this look more modern and premium. Add smooth animations when I check off a task. Use better spacing and a nicer font. The AI knows design patterns, so borrow them. A few polish prompts can take your app from okay to, wow, you built that? Step 6, ship it. This is the magic moment. Your app is sitting on your screen, but right now, only you can see it. Let's put it on the internet. In most of these tools, it's one button, publish or deploy. You click it, and you get a link, a real live web address. You can send it to a friend, open it on your phone, post it online. Something that lived only in your imagination 20 minutes ago is now real, and anyone in the world can use it. That feeling never gets old. Now let's put the whole thing together with a quick walkthrough so you can see how the steps flow. Say you want a workout tracker. First, you describe it. An app to log my workouts, see my history, and track my streak. Clean and motivating. The AI builds it. Then you iterate. Make the streak counter bigger. Add a calendar. Then you add data. Save my workouts. It breaks once, the calendar won't load. So you describe it and the AI fixes it. You polish it, you ship it, and just like that, you have a real fitness app with your name on it. 6 steps. That's the whole rhythm. Now, before you run off, let me save you some pain. Here are the 3 most common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1, being vague. We covered this. The more specific you are, the better it builds. Mistake 2, changing too many things at once. One change per message, always. Mistake 3, giving up the first time it breaks. Breaking is part of building. The people who win are just the ones who kept going. Let me also answer a few quick questions I always get. Is this really no code? Yes, you never touch a line of it unless you want to. Do I actually own what I build? Yes, it is completely yours. Is it free? Most builders have a free tier to start, and you only pay when you grow. And what if I get totally stuck? You ask the AI to explain what it did in simple terms, and it teaches you as you go. Okay, your homework. Pick one of these 3 apps and build it today. 1. A habit tracker. Add habits, check them off daily, see your streak. 2. A personal expense tracker. Log what you spend, see where your money goes. 3. A simple recipe saver. Paste recipes, search them later. Pick the one you'd actually use. That's the secret to staying motivated. Let's recap the whole class. You describe what you want, the AI builds it, you refine it, one change at a time, you add features just by asking. When it breaks, you describe the problem and let it fix it. You test it, you polish it, and you ship it. That's it. That is how you build a real app with no coding in 2026. And listen, before you go, I need you to hear this. Anyone can do this now. You don't need a degree, you don't need permission, you don't need years of practice. The only thing standing between you and a real, finished app is starting. So start. Build the thing. You are more capable than you think. In the description, I left the exact starter prompts I use for any app. Grab those, they'll save you a ton of time. If you build something, I genuinely want to see it. Link it in the comments. And subscribe, because next class, we're taking the app you just built and turning it into something that makes you money. Class dismissed. Now go build something. Let's go.